I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting hot contact. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a wide skillet until it almost smokes, because that immediate sear locks juices. Once the pan is shimmering, add beef in a single layer. Sear without moving for 45-60 seconds per side to build a brown crust. Make sure mushrooms are wiped and sliced, ready to add after initial beef removal. While beef rests briefly, the fond left behind becomes the flavor base for the creamy sauce. Once the beef is out, you immediately add mushrooms to the same pan so they soak up the fond. Brown them well for 6-8 minutes because that Maillard flavor is crucial. Then deglaze with 1/2 cup white wine or beef stock and scrape the brown bits. This converts stuck flavor into sauce. Make sure to reduce slightly, then stir in 1 cup cream and 1 tsp mustard. Simmer gently until the sauce coats the spoon, adjusting salt and pepper as it thickens. You finish by returning the beef to the pan for just 1-2 minutes so it heats through without overcooking. Make sure not to boil the sauce, because high heat can separate cream. Once warm, stir in 1 tablespoon butter and chopped parsley for shine and fresh flavor, then taste and adjust seasoning. If the sauce looks curdled or too thin, take it off heat and whisk in 1 tablespoon cold cream or a splash of stock to re-emulsify. This simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.